everyone, it is very difficult to stitch the lace between two fabrics. So we got a solution. For that, fold this paper and put the lace inside like this. Now take these three other papers, you can cut them from a very thin cardboard and stitch them like this. When you put it on the top of the machine and then the fabric, you will easily stitch it. Look, the lace is not moving at all, and this way you can stitch both of them like this. And look how pretty and easily it is done. Do try it at home. Stitching in a straight line is really difficult, so this hack is completely worth it. You just have to put the cardboard piece like this and put the strip on the top of it. In this way you can stitch in a straight line like this. Remove it and look how easily you can do it, and similar way you can combine all of them together and it's done. In this video, we're going to learn how you can stitch the zip on the top of this fabric. First, draw this line. Now put the zip like this and stitch in a straight line. After this, we are going to mark line. Open the zip like this, flip it and start stitching it from this side as well. Look how we are doing here. Now cut it till the line like this. Flip the cloth and make a V cut. After this, we are going to put the zip on the other side. Close the zip, and using this pin we are going to put the V cut inside and stitch it from this side as well, and look how perfectly it is done. In this video we are going to learn how you can stitch a V collar neck. For that we are going to stitch a V shape like this. Now we are going to cut the extra part and stitch it from its both sides like this, and look, it's done. You can use it for neck designs. This is another hack of stitching. You just have to put a pin at one end and start stitching the V shape like this, and the cloth will not shift. Similar way, we are going to cut the extra part of the thread and put it on other side, and look, your beautiful neck design is ready. Do use this hack at home. In this video, we are going to learn to make a beautiful side slit design. So let's get started. First, we are going to cut it and put this green fabric on the top of it. After this, start the machine like we are doing here in a straight line. Similar way, we are going to put another strip on the same pattern and start the machine like this. Cut the extra fabric, put it inside the cloth and stitch it from this side as well. Similar way, we are going to stitch it until the design ends like this on other side as well. And look, you will get this beautiful slit design on other side, and it's done. In this video, we are going to put the checkered pattern fabric on the top of this cloth and stitch in a straight line. We are going to make the corner design here, so put another piece on the top of it and overlap it and start the machine like this and start stitching like we are doing here. At the corner, you have to fold it and make a V shape. Start the machine and stitch it like this. Similar way, put another cloth on the top of it and stitch it from this side as well. And flip the cloth like this, stitch the top and bottom portion as well in a straight line, and look, you will get this beautiful corner design. This way you can make it easily. Thank you so much for watching this video.